Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2014 Toyota Corolla. Changing the engine air filter is easy to do, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access to the filter. These fasteners are easy to disengage. The components of the spare tire are easily accessible in the rear of the vehicle. This keeps the tire and jack kit ready to go in case of emergency. Checking the oil level is easy to do, as the oil dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To access the Petcock for a coolant drain, you will have to remove a cover from under the vehicle. This will require you to contend with gravity as you complete. You will also have to remove a panel from under the vehicle to access the fog light. The tools necessary may not be readily available for repair. Removing the wiper blade can be a problem, as you'll need to use a tool to complete. Other models do not require the use of tools to complete this. Overall, the 2014 Toyota Corolla is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain, but could be difficult for someone inexperienced in vehicle maintenance.